Gibson's new TB120 table blast system takes the operator out of the blast room. The system features a 120-inch diameter, 10,000-pound capacity manganese steel turntable, a quarter-inch thick steel front swing door, and two 15-inch diameter, 20-horsepower direct drive blast wheels. Once more, the TB120 is designed with a V-notch top for center crane loading and unloading. Operational parameters are inputted via a 4-inch touchscreen HMI located on the electrical control panel. Gibson's TB120 offers high versatility and efficiency in processing complex workpieces, from large parts to heavy fabrications. The two blast wheels propel abrasive by centrifugal force through a controlled blast pattern. Moreover, the 120-inch diameter turntable rotates at 5 RPM to provide 360-degree exposure to the blast system. A mechanical reclaim system recovers spent media using a bucket elevator and 20-inch gravity lip separator to remove fines. Compared to manual blasting operations in abrasive blast rooms, the TB120 processes workpieces in an enclosed system without the need for an operator to don a blast suit, thus contributing to lower labor costs and increased finish consistency. One 20-horsepower blast wheel can throw 525 pounds per minute, equal to nearly 7 half-inch direct pressure nozzles at 90 psi. Gibson Table Blast systems expedite cleaning, peening, deburring, profiling, finishing, and many other surface conditioning tasks in metal-intensive industries involving casting, welding, and fabrication. Take the operator out of the blast room. For more information, contact your local Gibson distributor or call us toll-free at 888-867-1619.